Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure XAMPP 8.2 on Oracle Linux. Open any web browser. Then first we will download the XAMPP server. Then we will install it on Oracle Linux. Go to Apache friends .org to download the XAMPP server. Hit enter. It is typo .org. Hit enter. See, XAMPP is the most popular PHP development environment and it is a free, easy to install Apache distribution containing MariaDB, PHP and Perl. See here we have the XAMPP 8.2 for the Linux. So click on this XAMPP for Linux. Wait a moment, go to this page. See, it will be downloaded in 5 seconds. See, download has been started and its size is 153 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now go to terminal. Go to downloads directory. ls. See here we have the XAMPP 8.2 run file. Now try to run sudo // then copy this one. Paste it, hit enter, it will throw permission error, hit enter, we will get the error, see command not found. Why? Because we have to grant the permissions. So change sudo chmod, change permissions by using chmod 755 XAMPP, give the tab and hit enter. Now run the same command, sudo // then give the XAMPP run file name and hit enter. Now we haven't received error. Also see, welcome to, we got the XAMPP setup console. Click on next. See here we have the XAMPP core files and optionally XAMPP developer files. I am going to select this one also. So click on next and this will be the installation directory, that is /opt and lamp. So click on next. Click on next to install the XAMPP server on Oracle Linux. Click on next. See, installation has been started. This may take 5 to 10 minutes. See, installation completed. Keep the checkbox, that is launch XAMPP. Keep the checkbox, it will launch the XAMPP control panel. So keep it as it is and click on finish. Wait, it will open the control panel. See. Now go to manage servers. See, all the servers are stopped. So let us start Apache web server first. See, it is not started. Then start other two services. MySQL database service also. See, both are starting. But Apache web server not started. Even if we try again. See, we are unable to start. Why? Because we have to install the libnsl. So install it, sudo dnf install. You need to install this libnsl if you are unable to start the Apache web server. Otherwise no need to install. Okay, hit enter. Type I and hit enter. It is done. Now click on start Apache web server. See, now we are able to start. Before it was just stopped. See, now Apache web server is running. Okay, now go to Firefox, open new tab, then type the localhost. If you get the phpMyAdmin, then it is success. Open, hit enter. See, we got the localhost dashboard, which means we have successfully installed. And it is installed Apache web server, MariaDB, PHP and Perl. And see here, welcome to XAMPP for the Linux 8.2.12. If you go to phpMyAdmin, there you can see the MariaDB databases information. If you want to create new database, just click on new database, then provide the database. Then click on create. If you want to run queries, just click on, see here database is there. If you want to run queries, just you have to click on here and you have to run the queries. Suppose you want to verify the MariaDB version, just give select version and click on submit query. See here we have installed MariaDB 10.4. Okay. If you want to create another database, click on here new or you can create by using create statement. Then click on submit query. See, it is not showing but it is successful. Now click on refresh. See, new database is there. And one more, the queries will run against this R2 schools. Suppose if you want to run queries against this R2, just you have to click on here. Then click on OK. See, now database has been changed. Now if you want to run queries, you have to click on query. Then you have to run the queries against this one. Like suppose you want to create data table, create table student, then run the submit query. Now expand it, go to this or refresh here. See here we have one table. Okay, so this is the way. Again, if you want to go back to the home page, just give localhost, hit enter. See, we got the same. Now we will create the sample PHP file. Go to terminal. See, ls. See, we have successfully installed. So remove this one. That is XAMPP run file, rm XAMPP. It is not required anymore. Control L, cd. Now go to XAMPP installation directory, that is cd XAMPP opt lamp ls. See here we have these files which are related to XAMPP. Now go to htdocs ls. See here we have the index.php. Okay. See, this is the index.php. Even if you give like localhost index.php, hit enter, we will get this. See, we got the same page. Okay. Now create the PHP file, sudo vi r2 schools, give any name and give the extension .php. Hit enter, press I to insert mode, then provide the PHP tags. Put semicolon after each statement. Echo, I am going to provide new line break. Again put semicolon at the end of the statement. Now we are going to print the sum of these two numbers. Save the file, escape, WQ, exclamation, hit enter. Now go to here, then remove this dashboard, then give the PHP file name that we have given, that is r2schools.php. Hit enter. See, we got these two lines which are there in the PHP script. Okay. Now select this Apache web server and stop it. Now we will see what will happen. If you reload this page, it won't work, because if you want to run any PHP scripts, Apache server must be up and running. So start it again. It is started. Reload. See, we got the script output from this PHP script. Okay. Suppose the last option that I am going to show you is, if you close this XAMPP control panel, exit, and if you want to open, then go to /opt lamp directory, where you have this manager Linux x64.run file. So run, give the, so to open XAMPP control panel, you have to run this file, manager -linux -x64.run. Hit enter. See, we got the XAMPP control panel. Now go to manage servers. See here we have the servers. So in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure XAMPP 8.2 on Oracle Linux. For more PHP or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.